भगवान का नाम और ध्यान घर में रहेगा हर वक्त, सकारात्मक प्रभाव वेदाक्ष धूप बत्ती से।
First World Cup. I know him from Chandigarh days when he used to play for Chandigarh, then he used to play in Ludhiana together many years back. So he's a greatest human being and great leader. I mean, the man who brought the first World Cup, and when you're talking of the Olympic for golf, I think we could now see that thing happening. So first of all, thank you very much for all the Chandigarh Golf Club for giving us an opportunity to be here. Thank you, Suleiman sir, who's my mentor and coach, who is a great golfer. I'm not a golfer at all, but I was told that it's a game where you compete with yourself. So I think that's how to learn how to compete with myself also, and also the patience. And you have really very concentration, patience, and you have not to be hard. So that's what I'm told about the golf. So I'm going to learn. I'm also staying very close to this. First, to thank you very much for to all of you here, and I thank you our president and secretary sir and all the budding players from Chandigarh. And I know we had talked about G. Milka Singh, we talked about Sodhi sir was here, then the Sandeep Sandhu, Arina Barar, Lady Bedi, and we had Abhijit Sandhu, and then Yuvraj is here, Angad is here. So we had done very well from this place. And one of the finest place to build the, I will also call golf as a place where I was told that a lot of policies were being made here while playing golf, and now it's in a different world. I can only simply say it is an opportunity given to me, and I am very, very thankful to Kapil Padi, and very, very thankful to Chandigarh Golf Club, and very thankful to Suleiman Saab, who really inspired me to be part of this. And thank you, Amandeep, for always being supportive. We were bothering him from last many days.
Not at all.
And he helped me in measuring my hand and giving me a new training. I'll try something today to hit the ball. And my humble submission is we need your support, full support to cover this, so that not only traveling, we had many, although we see Hero Honda here, Hero Group here, Pawan Khan Munjal was a great sponsor for this place, and I think if we all put together, we can really bring more pride to the state of Punjab, and we can bring more pride to Chandigarh Golf. It's one of the finest place. It is the only golf club which is, I think, of Delhi Golf, which is in terms very close and in terms of the heart of the place, and how to bring more champions here, how to bring more tournaments here, how to bring more visibility to Chandigarh Club, apart from getting the best players. And to really bring how we can host more tournaments here. That's my humble submission. I request Honorable President and the Secretary Saab, and how to bring more tournaments where it can bring more tourism, more visibility, and more talked about city. Apart being city beautiful, we can talk about beautiful people and beautiful players. Thank you very much, Jan, for all your support for this.
भगवान का नाम और ध्यान घर में रहेगा हर वक्त, सकारात्मक प्रभाव वेदाक्ष धूप बत्ती से। वेदाक्ष ज्योतिष सेवा संस्थान द्वारा अभिमंत्रित धूप बत्ती रोज, मोगरा और बेलपत्र की महक से लक्ष्मी का होगा वास। वेदाक्ष धूप बत्ती।